Greek world! Woo! Such a fun place for nature and a lot of dogs. When you go kayaking in a big lake like this, always bring water. Water, water, water. Right, Petrie? Right, Petrie? Right, Petrie? I hope you can all join me out here. I will see you and teach you again how to sculpt a dog. All right, Petrie, let's go back to the art studio.
Woo! That was fun!
All right, Petrie. You look so tired. Okay, I'm gonna take you down now, okay?
Let's go down. That was so fun!
Ooh, we needed that so much because the weather right now is so hot. It's 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh my gosh, you can cook an egg outside. I hope our dogs are able to find a way to cool off themselves down there. Now we're back. It's sculpting time. Today's episode is Newfoundland.
Pointie, I brought us some water.
Wow, big boy, thank you very much.
Wait a minute! That looks like the bucket I use for washing my clothes!
It's really hot today. I wish we had a swimming pool here.
A swimming pool? What do these dogs think I am? I'm rich? There's the big lake right there. We just came back from there. It's free.
A swimming pool? Oh, you wish!
Yeah, this is why I chose this neighborhood because it's so close to the lake. It's good for all dogs, except for some dogs that can't swim, just like Petrie. That's why I got him a life vest. Oh, my alarm clock is ringing. It looks like it's time to sculpt another dog. I'm gonna call Big Boy now. Big Boy! Big Boy!
Oh, big boy, Joanne is calling you.
Joanne, I'll be there ASAP.
Don't stay too long down there. The last time you did that, you ended up in the hospital with a hyperthermia.
I'm really fine out here. I'll bring you some water though.
Thank you for the water, big boy.
Big Boy, it's unusually hot today. And thank you so much for bringing me some water.
Hello? Really? Wake up! Wake up!
Oh. This heat is making me fall asleep.
Clearly, are we gonna do this or what?
Are you ready to sculpt, Big Boy? Come on, let's start sculpting your breed and show it to them, Big Boy.
Oh, I've been ready.
Preparation. Toothpicks and a tool with rounded and flat tip. Polymer clay and brush and baby oil. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake Box. The Newfoundland tutorial will be found in Doggo Bake 3. So here, all you gotta do is form the body shapes as illustrated by the book. Take note that Newfoundland normally has big body, neck, and top of the head. feel free to use a toothpick to texture the body or more details on the face. With this type of dog, it's very easy. It's pure black, and I didn't even put any extra clay for the eyes. I basically used a toothpick to draw the eyes. But with a Newfoundland dog, normally the eyes will kind of hide a little bit. So I decided to draw the eyes instead of adding clay to it. I already wipe the surface with a little amount of oil so that there's no fingerprints and the surface will be smoothened. This dog is ready to be baked. Between 250 to 275 is acceptable. It should be on the bake, and 30 minutes. While the sculpture is baking, I have a little piece of advice, a little tip that might help you. This little container, and a lot of these are leftover clay. You're gonna see a lot of mixture. See this little piece of blue, even the tiniest piece. I kept that. Even those tiniest leftover clay can go a long way. Like for example, this brown right here, right? That's a hazelnut. Sometimes we create sculptures that has some tint of green. You see it's brown, but when you really pay attention to the color, it has some kind of greenish tint. And that's when you can put your leftover. If you have some kind of green leftover in there, you can mix it there. Always keep your leftover clay. So that's it. There it is. What do you guys think about this sculpture? Be mindful that when you create a really thick sculpture out of polymer clay, it is potential to crack when you bake it in the oven. Anything that's too thick can crack easily as well. When that happens, you can use a Sculpey Bake and Bond. This is a liquid. You just apply it there and then rebake it. And that's the solution for cracks or breakage. Don't forget to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn how to sculpt a lot of dog breeds. Thanks for Big Boy's cooperation, right, Big Boy?
You're welcome. It's been fabulous.
Next Friday, I'm gonna sculpt Pointie, the German pointer. I know, she's your good friend.
Ooh, I want to come and join you guys.
Absolutely, you can join us.
Spectacular!
See you again next Friday for another dog.